What is up, you guys? I'm Jasx Aigner. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this super bomb look. This color combo was inspired by Alonzo Arnold. Now listen, inspiration does not mean copy. That means you see something that you like and you want to make it your own. That's pretty much what I did. Again, this was not to copy him. Obviously, I don't know what colors he used. So yeah, keep your comments to yourself. I forgot to take a picture of this look, so that's the reason his picture is on the thumbnail. Let's get into the video. So this was the wig before I colored it. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite products for bleaching hair. This is the Ion Bright White Cream Lightener, but this is the cream. Like I said, this is not a powder. For the first color process, I'm going to be using 20 volume developer, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my mixing bowl. Just a tip, you guys, I wish I would have used either 5 volume or 10 volume for the roots, because I'm going to process the roots first. It came out a lot lighter than I wanted it to. So I would definitely recommend you guys use 5 or 10 volume developer, because Lord, I forgot I had some super bomb hair and it processes extremely fast. Now you want this to be a consistency of like a pudding or like pancake mix. So we're going to hop right into the video. Like I said, I'm going to be processing the roots first. This was supposed to be the darker, you know, like a dark brown. That's what I wanted it to be. It did not turn out that way because, like I said, I thought 20 volume developer would have turned it super slow, but my hair turned extremely fast. Now, mind you guys, this entire process took me about a week. When I am bleaching, I like to take my time so that I do not damage the hair. I like to use low developer levels, so again, I don't damage the hair. This was a body wave wig, so I wanted the pattern to return even though I was bleaching it. So after every shampoo, I deep conditioned the hair overnight. So this did take about a week. So yeah, just a heads up, you guys. Obviously, the video isn't going to take a week, but in real life, it took me about a week. So this was the outcome. As you can see, the roots turned extremely fast, and it brightened up way lighter than I wanted it to. So because I want those 2 strips of platinum blonde in the front, I'm going to go ahead and part those 2 pieces out that I want. And I'm going to do the same to the back. I have a section in the back that's platinum blonde as well. So I'm going to kind of part off like a triangular shape. I hope you guys can see what I'm trying to throw at you. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my cream lightener. I'm going to be using 30 volume developer this time. If you guys are wondering why I will not be using aluminum foil, because I want this to be platinum blonde, you will see later in the video that I'm actually going to use it later, because y'all see. All right, so obviously the aluminum foil processes the hair extremely fast. That's why you use the aluminum foil, so it can process the hair and you can get it as light as possible. But because I'm making this these 2 sections platinum blonde, I have to process it twice, and I don't want to process it extremely fast 2 times, because that will potentially over process the hair. And like I said, that's not what we're trying to do. I'm trying to make sure I don't mess this hair up. I'm trying to make sure that the curl pattern returns, and that, you know, I don't fry this goddamn hair, you know, because bleaching can be very damaging if you guys are not careful. People like to go in with 40 volume developer on the hair over and over, and girl, that is a recipe for disaster. All right, so you guys just keep watching, and I'm gonna try to break this down as much as I possibly can. I tried to make this tutorial super easy, so if you guys wanted to recreate this look, you could. I really wish Alonzo would have done a tutorial, but y'all know he's stingy with his techniques or whatever. So it's cool, it's cool. So just keep watching, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the front. These pieces are going to be platinum just like the back. so now you guys are going to see me go ahead and bleach the rest of the hair. Keep in mind that the pieces that are in the back and in the front, which will be the blind pieces, those are going to get processed twice. But this that I'm working on currently, this will be the last bleaching for this. You will also notice that I am not bleaching the roots. Well, you know, it's supposed to be the roots. So I'm not bleaching the roots, and I'm also not going to bleach the ends because I'm going to do that process when I go over the platinum blonde process again, because the ends are supposed to be a little darker than the rest of the hair. So you guys will see that as well. Just keep on watching. Alright, so after letting the hair process for about 20 to 25 minutes, I went ahead and washed it out with some neutralizing shampoo, let it deep condition, and now I am about to go in with the second process for the platinum blonde pieces. That's going to be, once again, you guys, that's going to be these front pieces. I'm trying to just pretty much find them again, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out the back as well. Just a tip, you guys, if you are not doing like highlights or any of that when you're bleaching hair, since I only have this small section in the back, I just take one big old piece of aluminum foil, and then each section that I bleach will go onto this same aluminum foil. This will cut down on your time drastically, all right? And then once I'm finished processing this section, all I do is place another big piece of aluminum foil directly on top, and it just keeps you pushing and processes the hair just the same. And yeah, save you a lot of time. Thank me later. Alright, my love, so now I'll be going in with my toner. I'm going to be using Wella Color Charm shade 9NG. And it looks orange, y'all, but it is not going to be orangey like this. I used 3 bottles, I believe, and when you guys are toning hair, it's so super duper vital, important, and all that good stuff that you use twice as much developer as you do toner. So My toner bottle was, okay, I don't remember honestly, but hypothetically, if it was 2 ounces, you want to use 4 ounces of developer per bottle. Does that make sense, my loves? So if I have one, no, it was like, I think it was like 1.2. It doesn't matter, you guys. You want to use twice as much developer. If you do not, this toner will be super jelly, like literally jello. So you want to make sure that you have the right amount of the right amount of developer, and that you mix it very well. So now I'm just going to go in with this wig onto all of the pieces that was only processed once, which was the rest of the hair. So you guys just keep on watching. So this is the final color job. Okay, look at that. The texture ain't went nowhere. It's still curling, still popping, curls popping or whatever. So I went ahead and styled her, threw some curls in her, and this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you digging this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys recreate it. If you do, make sure you tag me in the photos. And hopefully this tutorial was very simple to follow. Thank you guys for watching. See ya!